Cooking saves bucks, definitely. But did you know that it offers benefits like boosting mindfulness and more? Join us today as we explore the benefits of cooking and how to pick up this wonderful skill. So why is cooking so great? Well, first, cooking improves physical health. Unlike eating out, cooking at home gives us control over the ingredients and recipe. We can choose fresher ingredients, consciously reduce excess saturated fat, salt, sugar, and follow the My Plate eating approach to create well-balanced meals. Second, cooking improves mental health. It promotes mindful eating. When we're aware of the ingredients and cooking methods, we can make better decisions about what and how often we consume certain foods, prioritizing our health. Cooking also brings a sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like enjoying the foods you've made with your own hands. It's like watching a flower grow and bloom. And let's not forget, cooking improves social connections. Sharing the joy of cooking can foster positive relationships and strengthen the bond between you and your loved ones. Third, cooking at home is inexpensive. By purchasing ingredients in bulk, you can save a lot of money. So how to pick up the skill? I have 5 tips for you. Number 1, learn the basics of safe food preparation and storage temperatures. Also, learn how to use cooking equipment safely. 2, find reliable tutorials through in-person classes, workshops, cookbooks, or online videos. 3, practice regularly, starting with simple recipes to gain confidence in the kitchen. 4, experiment with flavors and ingredients. Once you have a solid foundation of cooking knowledge, feel free to adjust recipes to suit your taste buds and cultural preferences. Last but not least, seek feedback from friends and family to continue to improve. Do you have any cooking tips or favorite recipes you'd like to share? Feel free to leave a comment below and let's exchange culinary inspiration. Remember, health is wealth and consistency is key. This is Yuen with I Have Unified Care. Have fun in the kitchen.
I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and scroll through our website or our Unified Care app for more information about chronic conditions, vitals monitoring, and general nutrition and wellness. See you again soon.